Lol. Let's start this process. See, yesterday we have discussed some of the Excel information that are the very basic level. Let's see, from today onwards we are going into some more deeper from basic to advanced level. Let's see, let me open my Excel first. So before that, do one thing. Go to your Chrome, download some of the Excel sheets. So just type sample superstore dataset. Type sample superstore dataset. Once you go there, there will be the first link which is related to Tableau, sample superstore sales. Click on it. From there, go down. There will be the one sample superstore data. Click on to download. Download it. For the advanced Excel we are doing, because it takes time to fill the data. That is why I'm just asking you to download this one file. Go to sample superstore, then go to this one Tableau community. There will be the advanced sample superstore dataset is available. Just click on download, you will get it. Download it. So, is it completed? Once you complete that, let me know. Now, whatever I got downloaded, this is my sample superstore data. Click on it. Your dataset will be open like this. So this is the data you have in your sample superstore data. Download it and click on enable editing. How to give the headers here? From here to hold the control shift right arrow. So entire your column headers will get selected. So if I want to give something the color for this, you can give any color, just like an indication of that headers, and change any font size. This is all. So once you get download, let's see. Let's start with the scenarios. My first scenario is I want to make the data very format way. It should be very clean and it should looks very neat and it should be understandable. So on top of that, we have to apply the filters. Let's say before we understand our first scenario, let me do some aggregate values. So what are the aggregate functions that we have available? Sum, minimum, maximum, count. So these are all the sum of the aggregate values. Let's see one by one. Let me open my sample superstore data which we have downloaded right now. For example, there will be the sales column. Just I am copying some of the data from this to show you aggregate values. Here I am just pasting. Somewhere you just paste it. If I want to find out the sum of all the sales value, I want to do the aggregate value. Let's see here what all you need to do. So go to the home menu. There will be the auto sum. So there will be the sum, average, maximum, minimum. These are all you can need to be find out. Let's check. I'm going to select the first on the values. Then go to the home menu. Then here click on here. So it automatically giving you, if you click the average, it give you the average one. So this is the average value. So I'm again selecting all till here only. So I want to find out the what is the maximum value. Just click on it. This is the maximum value out of these values. Look at here. So this is having the 1706 having the highest value out of till here only 911. So remember that. So this is the max value. If I want to find out the minimum value, the same procedure. Go here, select the values first till 911. Then go to home menu. There will be the auto sum. Then here click on minimum. So you will get the minimum value. This is the minimum value 7.2. If you want the sum value, the same thing. Go here, select till 911 and go to the auto sum. Then click on the sum. So it is given here. So let me take all the values. No worry. I take all the values. Now I'm going to find out. It will give you the one. That is all. It's giving you only the minimum value out of it. Let me copy this one again. Some of the data. Randomly selecting every time filling the data. It's taking time. Waste of time as well. So if I want to find out for this sales value, I want to find out the sum. What I need to do? First go select all the values. Go to the auto sum. Click on sum. So this is the sum. I got it. This is how you find out the aggregate values, minimum, maximum. If you want to count the total count, how many records are there? Records means how many rows are there. Let's check that one also. Go and select all the values. Go here, auto sum. Just give the count numbers. It will give you the total 12 records. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 records. Till here we got selected. So which means total count. How many records are there? We used to call records in our Power BI. This is the Excel. We are using rows here. So this is how you can find out the aggregate values. So now look at my today's scenario. So there will be the sum of the data I have. This is the table I have. So let me remove this all. How to remove? You have to select all this. Then go to the home menu. There will be the delete. Go and click on delete cells. It go delete all go. One go. So this is also want to delete. Select them first. Go to delete option. Delete cells. This is how you get delete all your data, whatever you get selected. So let's see, fine. Now this is my data. This is not in the order way. So what I need to do, I want to make it the some table format and looks good also. So I just made it changes. Hold the control shift to select entire your column names. Control plus shift plus right arrow. So I'm just to get it back the same format way without adding any colors. Now look at here. This is my data. I don't know what is the the column names. I don't know. If I go down or I can't able to understand. It is not looks like a exactly table format. I want to make it the table format. I want to make it the very clean and understandable. So how do I do it? This is my scenario. Then after that, I want to apply the filters. So one more thing in the home menu, just observe. I'm just clicking on the sum of the shift mode. It gets selected. Go to the home menu and go here. There will be the filter and sort and filter. Just click on this one. Once you click the drop down, there will be the filter option. The moment you click on filter option, it will giving you the filter drop down. So once you click on this filter drop down, you can get select whatever the item that you want. I want only the first class. Click on first class only. Click on OK. Only the first class information will get filtered out. If you want to something else, same things, go click on this filter drop down, go select whatever you want. I just giving only the standard class. Just click on OK. So you can also multi-selection also you can do. I want the same day as well. Go click on this one. So you will get the more standard and same day also. Look at here, the standard class is also there, same day also there. These two are the we have filtered out. So just hold the control and give the up arrow. So you reach into the first column. So this is how you apply the filters. By now I am just giving the all the values to filter it out. If you don't want filter, then go get select again, go here. It is already enabled. Then again click on it. It will vanish. That is how. That is not the scenario. Look at my scenario. I want to make my data. The data should be very clean and neat and understandable. Then on top of that, I want to apply the filters to the headers. Header names means column names. So this is my scenario. Let's see. What all you need to do? First to open your table. So whatever you get downloaded. So how to select the table? One method is just to use the control A. It gets select all your table. So one more method what you need to do, just hold the control shift right arrow and down arrow. You get select entire your table. This is the two ways how you get select your entire table. So let's say once you get selected your table, entire table. So go to the insert option. Go to the insert menu. Under the insert menu, there will be the first section, tables section. There will be the table option. The moment you click on table option, the entire your table, look at here, how it go and convert. So it is taking the ranges from where to where you just connected. So this is all how I have selected my entire table. Then click on OK. So observe here, the moment I click on OK, so my, the data is converted into the very meaningful and understandable. So this is how. Now data at least looks good and understandable. I got the drop downs also. So this drop downs means the filters. If I want to change the style, you go here, select whatever you want, whatever you feel good. This is how you get selected. Your first one we missed to get select. Again you do the same thing. Use the control all. It is not getting selected. Let it be. I don't want row ID. What I need to do, I am going to hide it. Yesterday we have seen how to hide it. Hide it. Now my table looks good. This is how you get. If you want to apply any filters, the same thing which we have applied just now, the shift mode, I am just clicking on this. If you want only the same day, just select only the same day and click on OK. You get only the same day information. So if you want to apply a filter on anything, go to the region, go only the select any one of this. I'm just selecting central region only. Then click on OK. Only the central region information will come. The moment you apply filter, look at here, the other filter icons are the normal. It's just like a drop down icons. But wherever you applied the filter, it will show you the filter icons. So here also I applied the filter. And here the region also I have applied the filter. This is how. If you want to apply the more filter also, you can apply. So next there will be the category on row column. So click on the drop down again. I just want to take only the one filter. Let me take only the furniture. Then click on OK. This is how you can filter it out, which means the data as much as you want, you can make it filter it out. This is I wanted to show you. So this is how. That is my scenario. If anybody asks you, did you ever working on the formatting the tables? Yes, I did work. Did you ever make it the clean and neat, understandable tables? Yes, I did. So that is how you need to understand. So let's see my next scenario. My next scenario is not bigger one, very simple. I just want to save our table. So it is simple thing, everybody knows how to save table. Not bigger deal. Go to your Excel, the whatever you made changes here. Go to the file menu. Under the file menu, there will be the option save and save as. So if you are saving for the first time, go for the save as option. Click on the save as. So wherever you want to make it save, go and select the location. I'm going to save on my desktop. Click on this one. Here you just give your name, whatever the name that you want to save. Sample modified data. Then click on save. This is how you get saved. The moment you save, your name will be appear here on the top. This is how. The saving is not big a deal. Everybody knows it. Apart from that, let's see my next scenario. This is real-time scenario. So my next scenario is I wanted to provide the headers. I want to provide the logo as well. I want to provide the page number as well. I want to provide the sum of the information at the bottom. And I want to convert it into the PDF or printing. Let's see, this is real-time scenario. For example, I am working for some DMart company. That I am working for the different location. Let's say I am working for the Hyderabad location. I want to provide my everyday data to my manager. So in the format of the PDF or printing also, I can send to my manager. How do I do it all? So let's see. First, I need to provide the header. Then I want to take the logo and I want to take the page number and I will provide the sum of the information. Let's see. I'm just opening my Excel, the same data. Rather than this one, open that one which you have downloaded. Yes. I want some raw data which is not made any changes. So this is my data. I'm just copying some of the records from here. Just copy, hold the shift button, right arrow. Some of the data. I'm just copying. I'm going to paste it in the new sheet. I'm just creating the new sheet. Click on the plus symbol, create the new sheet. So I want to create how to organize them in one go. So if you click on the organize them one go, you have to click every time like this. Rather than going like this, you simply click on this the corner. The moment you click on the corner, it will go select entire your Excel. Then anywhere of your columns, you just double click on it. All your data will go organized at one go. So let me take sales values also from here. So some sales values, it will give you something meaningful. Let me copy this also. I'm going to the same sheet where I have put paste. This is my data. So there will be the something data. I'm just manually entering this one. This is some of the data rather than we are filling. If we want to fill this much of the data, it takes half an hour. That is right. So I'm just copying from there. I just paste it. What I need to do, go select entire your table first. The same procedure, go to the insert menu, click into the table, then click on OK. It converted into some meaningful one. Let me give this one. It looks something good. So this is my table. I want to share this to client. So or your manager. How do I do it? So before we go there, there will be the option. Wait. Where is that option? Under the insert only. Okay. So go to the only the insert menu. Under insert menu, there will be the option header and footer. So look at here, header and footer. Click on this one. The moment you click on this one, it will convert it into the different format. So look at here. So this is the header. I'm just giving here the I am working from the Hyderabad location. Hyderabad, let's say I am working from the high-tech city. High-tech city branch. I'm just giving some of the header. So in the second section, you just click on it. It will get highlighted. It will be editable. You have to view the DMart daily sales. Let me give only two details rather than daily sales. So because this is the only one table, right? That is right. Today's sales. So here I need to insert the logo. The first section I just given the information which is my where is I'm sending this. So this is my branch. Branch means the store. You can give store, otherwise it looks good. So this is the DMart, the sales. So here I want to insert the logo to understand. So how to insert? Go to here, the insert is not enabled. It's not enabled, it got stuck. So are you able to enable while you insert? The picture will be insert enabled, no? Not enabled, no? For you also. Okay, let me take into the new sheet. The same thing, let me paste here the data. Let me copy data. So because this is already so let me copy some of the data. I'm taking the new Excel sheet because of it is got stuck. Huh? Enable, no? Okay, that is the problem with me. Okay, I'm just taking the new Excel. So just give me a second. You might get it enabled, but my version is having the some of the limitation. I can't able to do much at a time. So just click on the insert that image. You will get inserted that one. I'm just copying the same data into my new Excel. So okay, this is my data. What I did first, so go organize it first, make it, click on somewhere. Now select your table, go to the insert, click on the table, then click on OK. So this is my table. I just format it in this way. So what I did, go to the insert menu again, go to the header and footer. So click on that one, your table convert into this menu. So now I am giving here the Hyderabad high-tech city store. So here let me give DMart today's sales. Here I need to insert the logo. Look at here. The moment you click on here, there will be the picture icon is enabled. Design menu. Under the design menu, there will be the picture icon. Click on that picture icon. The moment click on picture icon, there will be the options will come. In your local machine, you can browse or you can go for the browse also internet. So the image is already there in my folders. You download it, DMart logo. Just click on this one. So where is my DMart logo? So I have DMart logo. You just download DMart logo. Click on that one. Any image, try to insert right now. That is not big a deal. The moment you click on that, it appears like this. So again, look at here. This is not in the format way. I want to look my image here only. So whether it is the small one, I want to place here. So how to do? Go to the design. So there will be the format option. So go to design. The format picture is there. Click on the format picture. You just decrease the height. Something just give like this. Then click on OK. Let's check it. So my DMart logo is become very smaller. Let me increase it bit. So now again click on OK. So this comes here. This is not right place to. I have to see that exactly there. Just give me the 70 somewhere. Let's see. Now this much is fine. At least bring somewhere else. Just reduce to 50 or 60 somewhere. Just click on OK. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Otherwise, let me make it some up. Okay, this is fine. This is how I can show my DMart image. As usual, I can do here the formatting. So select all the text whatever you have filled. Go to the home menu and then change the style that whatever you want. So usually take the Arial black. It gives you looks good. So this is how. Once you get select, go only give color as well. So for this also you do the formatting work, and the bottom also there will be the option available to you. Look at here the footer. I'm just giving here the page number. If we have the 10 pages per day, I'm just giving the 1 out of 10 pages total. So this is the turn page. Otherwise continue, you can give anything. Otherwise some meaningful information, regular sales you just. So here you just provide your name or your manager name, whoever you are going to share. This is the simple thing project, how you done. So whatever you make changes in the first page, it will go reflect on all the pages. So now story begins. Look at here. The moment you complete it here, go to the file menu. There will be the print option. Click on the print. So your data comes here. Now here you have to select if you want to send it in the PDF format or not. Just select the PDF only. So I'm just click on this one. If you want anything, this is not important. Pages, how many pages that you want to take the PDF or print, that you provide there, from which page to which page that you want. Only we have 2 pages only. Let me convert the 2 pages into 1 page. Collateral, this is the related to printing. The portrait I don't want, I want landscape information. This is how I get. So after that, normal margins, this is okay. This is not that important. Just give the anything. Apart from that, later the page sizes, the whatever the page sizes you give. The last one scaling, just to understand here the fit sheet on 1 page. So actually I do have the 2 pages information. I don't want 2 pages, I want into 1 page. What I need to do, go to the no scaling, fit sheet on 1 page. Now your data comes into 1 page. Let's say this is my today's sales. Just like that you can fill the so many information. This is how you can send. By looking at this table, you can understand this is coming from the DMart, and this is the DMart sale, where it is coming from the store, high-tech city store, and the manager who you are going to send it, the manager name you can provide, and here also you can provide your name also, that is fine. So this is the information, meaning information for the table. This is how you send to your client. The moment you click on the print, it will go asking you to save in your PDF format. You go save in somewhere else, my DMart sales. DMart high-tech city sales. This is how you save it. Then you can send that one to your manager. It is gone, DMart sales. So DMart high-tech city sales. Open that PDF. Now look at here. Everybody can understand. the sale value, what are the items that you get selected. So this is how you say to your client. So if anybody asks you, did you ever work on the Excel and advanced Excel? Yes, I did work on it. So where you did work on the retail market, I did work. So what was the your roles and responsibilities? So I was the manager for the some store, the one store, one point. In that store, I used to send my regular sales values to my manager or regional manager. So for that matter, we are going to create the Excel sheet and we make it a very nice and clean, understandable data format. Then we provide the all the the information which related to company, the logo also, and then location where it is coming from, and who is going to assign manager or regional manager, and your name. So how many pages it might be that you can send them. So based on this, I worked on that. If anybody asks you that did you ever worked on the Excel advanced Excel projects? That's how simple. Let's see my next scenario. My next scenario is related to Power BI. Just understand. This is work in Excel also, but this is mostly we are using in the Power BI. Let's see how. So my scenario is I have the first name, middle name and last name. Then what I need to do, I want to separate them first name into one column, second name into second column, third name into third column. This is what my story. That is not the complete. The my story is my real-time story is I want to provide the mail IDs is the giving to all the candidates, right? So if the 50 people are working for one company, they have to find out that how many people are coming from same company. This is how we have to provide. Let's see. Let me open my Excel. My Excel, I want some normal data Excel. Okay. This is my Excel. Look at here. So go to the G column. There will be the name, customer name. Customer name having the first name, last name like that by separating the space here. So I want to separate Clary in one column, Good in second column, Darren in one column, Van in second column, Off in third column. This is how I want to do it. Let's say how we can do it. First select your entire column, click on G, then go to the data menu. Click on the data menu. The moment you click on the data menu, if you are having the latest version of Excel, click on the flash fill. There will be the flash fill. Look at here the down. Automatically fill in the values. Enter a couple of example you want as output and keep the active cell in the column you want to fill in. So click on this one. If it is working for your current versions, so I have very old version 2016 long back. So it is not working for me because of my version is limitation. Now what you need to do, the select the entire column, then immediately under the data menu there will be the text to column. The moment you click on text to columns, so observe here, I'm just clicking on it. So you need to follow the some steps. Just observe here, click on this one. You have to select the delimitation. Then after that click on the next. Then you have to, there will be the space in between that names. Click on the space. The moment you click on the space, it automatically adjusts all. So look at here, this comes in the one the first name, second name, third name. It comes like this. Then click on next. It will show you final preview how you will get data. Then click on finish. The moment you click on finish, your data is going to change. Look at the background. So already data is here. Do you want to replace it? Yes. So this is how. This is the first name, second name, middle name and last name got changed. Now I want to rename it. Customer first name. I'm just rename it column name first name. Customer middle name. and this one customer last name. This is how you can give. The customer having the third name, it will show you here. This is how it will separate. Now where to use in Power BI, let's check. Now I'm just randomly, typing the sum of the data here. I'm just using the company. So I'm just giving the company mail ID. So I want to find out the from which company he is coming from. This is how I just wanted to separate it. So my name is something like this. At the rate, my company name is Amazon. Amazon.com. So my second name is something like this, and my second company is HCL. HCL.com. Every company give you their company names. So my third name is this one. I'm just giving the right now Facebook. So my next company, I'm just giving like this. At the rate, I'm just giving the what I give TCS.com. So like this, I want to find out the people are coming from the different companies. How many people are coming from the different companies? Let me copy this one again. So I'm just copying that and pasting here rather than filling the data so much. So just click on escape, that will go remove. So I'm just editing it rather than here the TCS. Here the TCS is fine. Here the HCL, I want to change it. Double click on this for the editable format. Rather than HCL, I just want to give something CTS. So let it be. No matter whatever the company that they are coming from, I just wanted to separate the company names and their names. How to separate it? First go select this column, same procedure, go to the data. There is the text to columns, click on it. The delimitation, click on it, then click on next. What is my delimiter right now? The ampersand. So you have to go for the others. Here mention whatever the delimiter, it gets divided. Then go click on next, then click on finish. This is how you get. Now look at here. This is the company that I am working from. This is how. Again, if you want to, get only the company name, so what I need to do? So company name. Only company name I want. Again, go and select. Then go to the data, go to the text to columns, delimitation, then click on the next. Then now my space is comma on. Okay, let me not comma, just do full stop. So now it's separated. Then click on next, then click on finish. This is how you find out the company. So I want to give the filter. I want to find out how many people are coming from the TCS, how many companies are there. These are all the duplicate values are there. TCS coming multiple times, HCL coming multiple times. I don't know how many companies are there. So what I need to do, first select that one, go to the filter options, home menu. There will be the filter option. Click on the filter drop down. Now the moment you click on it, you will find out how many companies are there. This is the unique companies that you can. So total 5 companies are there. This is how you find out. So that was my scenario. We are mostly using in Power BI for that, how to separate some, any manufacturing companies having the different models. So let's say if you are getting select for the any BMW company or Benz companies, so they are having the different models. You want to figure it out, the separate the model name and company name. So that is how you need to use in your Power BI. So let's see my next scenario. My next scenario is I want to find out the duplicate values. At the same time, I want to remove the duplicate values. So this is frequently asking. So how to remove the duplicate values, how to find out the duplicate values in your interview and in your regular lifetime also. In your projects, you have to keep on using this one. Let's see, for that I'm going to, so for example, this is my data. I'm having the sum of the duplicates here. Let me select my data first. The moment you select data, go to the home menu. Under the home menu, there will be the conditional formatting. The first option, highlight cells rules. Go down, there will be the option which is related to duplicate values. The click on it, it will get highlight all the duplicate values. Only CTS having the unique value. Now look at here, the moment you click on the duplicate values, there will be the two options you have. One is the duplicate, second one is the unique. So what is the difference between duplicate and unique? You will get a question like this. So what is duplicate? Duplicate will give you the whatever the duplicate values, it keep on repeating more than one time. So the unique value is giving you only the value which is there only one time, which is not duplicate anywhere. This is how. Let me click on the duplicate only for now, duplicate scenario. Then click on OK. This is how get highlighted. So I don't want this color. It looks very dirty like this. Let me take the sum of the data here. How to copy? Let me copy from here some of the data. I'm just taking the customer ID, some of the data, because I need some duplicate values. This is the data I have. There are so many duplicates are here. Look at here. Just select the table. Go to the conditional formatting. There will be the highlight cells. There will be the duplicate. The click on duplicate. Same procedure. It is asking you select duplicate here. Then look at here the drop down. If you want only the text highlighted, you can give the text highlighted. If you want only the border, you can give border. These are all the different options. I'm just giving the only the red text. So whatever the duplicate value, it will give you in the red color. So look at here. All are duplicate values. Only some of the values are not duplicate. Those are all in the black. This is how you find duplicates. Now my scenario is how to remove these duplicate values. I want to get only the unique records. Let's see how. Again, select your table which is having the duplicates. Go to the data menu. Under the data menu, there will be the option remove duplicates. Look at here, remove duplicates. The moment you click on it, remove duplicates. So all your duplicates will record. It will show you the whatever the columns we have. You get select. Then click on OK. So now you understand. So 12 duplicate values found and removed, 13 unique values remain. This is how. Let's see, I'm just using the Control Z to get my actual data, including duplicates. This is my, I'm just showing you one more procedure. Select it. So go to the home menu, go to the conditional formatting, go to the duplicate values, and here I am just selecting only the unique. Now click on OK. Look at here, the unique value giving you just highlighting the unique value. The duplicate value is removing the duplicate value, remove all the duplicate values. This is all. If anybody asks you what is the difference between duplicate and remove duplicate and unique value, you have to answer them. I'm just clicking the data, same, clicking on the remove duplicates. This is how you can remove duplicates. So this is the small data, you can understand how to remove duplicates if you having the bigger data like this. So I want to remove duplicate out of this. How can I do it? Just select enter table, same procedure, go to data menu, click on the remove duplicates. Now your story begins. So based on what columns you are going to make it the duplicate values get removed. So I want to give select a column. Based on that column I have to select. I don't want row ID number wise, order ID number wise, this cell number wise, SIP date number wise, this column wise, this is column wise. I want to remove the duplicates based on the customer also not right choice to select it. Let me give product ID wise. product ID is unique for the all the things. Only select some of the things which are. This is for unlocking your potential. So based on what column we are going to remove duplicates. I'm just taking only the product ID other than that one. So now select one only, then click on OK. So now look at here, 8,000 duplicate values found and removed. So this is how, if you are playing with the bigger amount, huge amount of the data, you are getting that this many huge amount of the values of records is going to remove. So make sure based on what column you are going to remove. Once you remove the data, it is difficult to get back, sometimes in your SQL server. So this is the Excel, we can do it undo, but this is one. So I removed all the data. My data is going to very less right now. So I'm just doing the undo to get my data back. This is how you use the remove duplicates. Let's see my next scenario. My next scenario is I want to sort it and advanced sort it. Sorting, A to Z, G to A, already we have seen. The same thing we are applying now. The same thing. I'm just taking the city wise. Let me take the city wise sorting because of the city having the so many things. Just select that one. Go to the data. There will be the sorting and filter option. Just click on the A to Z. Just click on sort. It will start from the A to Z at the end. If you want to give the G to A, then click on sort. It will give you from G to A. This is not the story. Everybody knows it. But the problem is I want to apply the sorting on multiple, columns. How to do it? That is called advanced sorting. Look at here. The moment I selected here the only city wise, it is only get selected the one column only. It is not getting selected the all the columns. So the moment I click on the only selecting the city, the moment I click on the advanced sorting, the click on this one, you look at the background, the every column will get selected. So this is how. So advanced sorting based on the multiple layers, not on the single column. So that is why. So I'm just taking the city wise sorting first story. I'm just giving the values here as it is. Don't give anything. So my sorting will be A to Z, G to A, and custom list also there. By now, just give A to Z. So I want to sort by one more column. Just click on the add level, next level. The next level I want to sort based on the, let me take the category. Let me take category wise sorting. As it is, keep it values. Don't select anything else. Then now drop down. I just want to take this G to A. The first one A to Z. I want to take it the cities. This is I want to take it the G to A. Apart from that, I just want to add one more level. Then now you just give the region wise sorting, the value, let it be. So now look at here, observe, there will be the custom list. This is the advanced sorting one. The moment you click on the custom list, it will give you the some of the advisors. From Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, you want to sort it out. It will take the always Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like this. So if you want full name, you can take it. The January, February, based on that you want to sort it out, you can take it. So this is how. Otherwise, you want to create your own list, you can create it. That is called the new list. The first option, click on this one. It will go editable. I just want to start from the I just want to start from the K, L, M, N. So like this order, I want to sort it. So A to Z, G to A, it is common. Everybody knows. If I want to sort based on the middle of the letters, so you can provide here in the advanced sorting. So click on OK. So this is how. The moment you click on, so your data will go sorting. So this is city is giving the A to Z. And when you go for the category, this is we have given the G to A. but it is taking from the O because of the first sorting is based on the city. That is why it is taking the first one. Then after that it takes this one category. Then after that it go work on this one. This is how. But most of the time avoid the multiple layer of the sorting because of the it is going to apply the multiple sorting which is not full meaningful. Only take the one column sorting. So that is why. If anybody asks you, can we be able to do the multiple sorting? Yes, we can do. How? Go to the data, then go to the this advanced sorting, then you go apply the as many layers as you want. This is how you have to answer them. So let's see my next scenario. My next scenario is the real time one. Grouping the same items and ungroup the same items. Simple thing. Let's check that one. First, let me take some of my data. So I'm just copying my region. Copy some of your data. I'm just taking the region, going to new sheet, paste here. I want to take the sales also. Let me take the sales also. With the sales also, I'm going to select some of the data. Then select it, go to the new sheet and paste here. So this is the data. I want to check the how many regions are there, how to check it. First you go here the home, apply the filter, then drop down count, only the three regions only there. What is missing? South is missing, west, north is missing. Let me remake it. So many list, I am just giving the north. So we have seen yesterday autofill drop down, drag and down will fill the same data. So north, south is missing. Okay. Let me make it from here south. Just type 1, use the autofill handle, then drag down. So now let's check how many regions I have. Yes, I have all the regions. This is my data. I just wanted to group them. So let me hide the filters. No filters, right? So this column headers, let me make something bold. Some color also add at the background. This is my data. I just wanted to make it out the grouping. So before you are grouping, ungrouping, first remember that the select your column. Based on what column you are going to make the group. Once you select the column, go to the data. First do the sorting. Any sorting, A to G or G to A, you just click on it. The moment you click on it, all will organize at one place. Central at one place, east at one place, north at one place, west at one place. So this is how. The moment you do that one, first select the whatever the items that you want to make group. So I want to select this central information, want to make the group. The select to, then go to the data, there will be the option group. So just click on the group. It is giving you based on the rows. Based on the rows only we are grouping. Click on OK. Look at here, my central become the one group. This icons comes. The moment you click on here the one, it will go hide. If you want to see it, you just click on the plus. This is how. If you want to group the east values, here row numbers you just observe. There is no missing the data. The second, third is missing. And here also you can see some of the gap here, which is means like hiding the rows. The moment you click on here, it will appear. So next I'm going to select the east values into one group. Go and click on here. It will give you one group. So the moment you click on minus, that is also gone. The north also in one group. Click on this one. This is how simple. So click on this first one, second one, it will go expand all. If you don't want grouping, just look at here this north one, I don't want grouping, the same thing, go and select and click on ungroup. So look at here. your expansion will go to till here. So which means your grouping from here to here only happened. So this is how. By grouping also you get the total value. I'm just minusing it. Look at here, the my values is the coming. So my values are coming here, the north and south. So this is not the story here. My next scenario is I want to find out the what happened Excel gone. I want to find out the calculate the subtotals. Let's see how. Again, take the region information only. Gives you better analysis. Just copy from here some of the data. Then go to the new sheet. Then bring here. Then apart from that, take some sales. Copying from here. Then paste here. This is my data. So before you want to go for the subtotals, the same procedure, go to the data, give the sorting. Now we just go for the subtotals. Let's see. Now select entire table. The moment you select entire table, go to the subtotal option, click on the subtotals. It will open the new window based on what you are going to make the subtotals. This is only the reason why I want to make the subtotals, and aggregation, that whatever the aggregation that you want, you can give. Some minimum, maximum, count, average, whatever it is, but usually we are doing the sum. The sales wise, I want to find out the subtotals. You select here the sales, then click on it. So look at here, all your subtotals comes. So did you observe that while we were doing the grouping also, it is showing the icons like this. So this grouping icon, subtotals also it is showing the same. What happened? Once I get back. The data bar, they need to check it. Let me try last one. Let me copy data again. I need to do. So go to this region, go select some of the data, go paste in new, and sales also you take. Go here, paste here. Here some data missing, just manually enter. So what I need to do to find the subtotals, first select the column, then go to the data, then go for the sorting first. Then after that again you select the entire table. Then data menu, only go to the subtotals, click on it. Select this region, sum of aggregation, click on OK. So the moment you click on this, you can see this one. So it is grouping, then after that giving you subtotals. Look at here. It giving you individual values and subtotals as well. It giving you individual values and subtotal as well. I don't want individual value. I want to send to my client only subtotals. Here the 1, 2, 3, you just click on somewhere. It is giving you only the subtotals without giving you any information. So I want to make it the table format. Select it, go to the insert, click on table. So click on this one. It is become the table format. So now this data I wanted to send to client. So what is the subtotal based on the region wise? So then the same procedure, you go insert the logo, you provide the some of the information top and bottom like this. So this is all you can do. So if anybody asks you what is the difference between group and subtotals. So grouping also we have providing the grouping, then going to give the information. But the subtotals you can see the individual values also, but the grouping you can't see the individual values. So that is missing, so that's why. Let me copy this data. Let me paste here. This subtotal also coming here. Let it be. I'm just grouping the central values only. Look at here. The central value, how to do grouping, go here. Go group. And click on OK. Look at here. It is not giving you any subtotal. It is not related to this one. So forget about it. It is grouping till here. It is not giving you any subtotals. So the moment you click on here, it will go hide. There is no subtotals which related to that. But when you go for this subtotals, it is giving you individual value as well as the subtotals. You can go any hierarchy level here like that. So this is how we have to do. Till here you just practice the possible interview question. This is the advanced Excel one. So there will be the possible question, what is the difference between grouping and subtotals? So how to get subtotals? You have to understand this is the sum of the advanced level. So if anybody asks you, did you ever work on the advanced starting? Yes, I worked on. Can you able to suggest for that advanced starting? No, never suggest it because of the it is taking you multiple layers. So that not be meaningful. So otherwise you can tell them I wanted to start from the KH somewhere else the starting point to ending point. You can give that one. So some laddu question, how to find out the duplicate values and how to remove the duplicate values. You can easily find and remove it. So if in the any column which related to if it is there, I am working for the any bench company or any car manufacturing company, they are giving you the text combination with the number combination. So if you want to segregate the number with the text, how do I do it? By using the sublet. Where it is helpful in the Power BI, not in Excel only. So you have to keep in mind this duplicate values remove also helping you in your Power BI Excel SQL Server. So you have to keep in mind. Once you learn this one, the duplicate values remove, this will help you to 3 sections you can cover. One is the SQL Server, another one is the Excel, another one is the Power BI. Just keep in mind. Did you work on any projects in your Excel? Yes, I worked on by using the advanced Excel. So every day I used to say, send my regular sales to my manager, regional manager. So I send them in the form of PDF. So this is how I provided the header, the meaningful information, logos, page numbers. These are all the information I have given. So did you work on any aggregations in Excel? Yes. What are the aggregation functions? Some minimum, maximum, count, all this, some of information. So can you make it the any table into the neat, clean and understandable? Yes, I can do it. This is all for the day. If you have any questions, please do ask me. Otherwise, I'm going to wind up. So that will take tomorrow. No worries. Any questions from online? First to download that one sample superstore data. No questions?